Yeah, this is looking bullish here. It's tagged the support here. It's getting above the EMA. We needed to get above the 25% retracement, but if it starts to look a bit more bullish, I'll enter, front run it, but we'll let it settle down here for a bit. Well, that was a mistake entry. I wanted to put a buy stop above the EMA, 34 EMA. We'll see what happens here. It's still looking bearish. Yeah, I'm gonna exit. Ah. So if price can close above the EMA, then I'll be looking to get long before it touches here. Yeah, okay, like this. All right, I'm long. It's looking. Oh, I got a terrible fill. Look at my fill. I got wicked up there. Ah. All right, what's gonna happen here? It's looking bullish.
Order filled.
Well, it's running. 81.75 is the 50. 81.75. Is it gonna hit?
Order filled.
I'm gonna move my stop to below this level here. I'm not gonna have it there because if it breaks this level here, it's gonna come down and take me out. So just try to reduce the stop a little bit, you know. Yeah. Okay, guys, I'm out at the 50. I'm not waiting till the 75. Booked my profits. I'm happy. So, quick, fast scalp. I'll just run you through it. I let price balance out here, you know. So it came down here, but it didn't tag the support level. So wait, right? Boom, tagged it. Okay, got above this level here. Okay, toyed with the EMA, came down, closed above it. Excellent. And I went in long here. I front ran it because it was looking bullish to me. All right, and then you could put your entry there if you didn't front run it, and I just took my profit there. So that was a nice, quick, fast trade. 42. Yeah, that was a 5-minute scalp. 5-minute scalp from 570 up to 81. 11 points, 5 minutes. Love it. Switchback trading model.